Robots continue to surprise us with abilities that seemed impossible just a few years ago, and the latest demonstration from PNDbotics is another huge step forward. The company has revealed a full-size humanoid robot that can climb onto a 1-meter-high box with impressive precision and control. As the robot approaches the platform, it doesn't simply try to step up. It carefully places both hands on the edge of the box, leans forward, and begins pulling itself upward. One leg swings onto the platform first, followed by a smooth shift in balance that allows the second leg to come up. Within moments, the robot is standing upright on top of the box with confidence. That may sound straightforward, but for a large humanoid machine, it's an incredibly difficult task. Every movement requires perfect coordination between the arms, legs, and torso, while constantly adjusting its center of gravity. The robot has to maintain stability throughout the climb, making thousands of tiny corrections in real time to avoid losing balance. You might notice a green safety tether attached to the robot's back during the test. That's simply a protective measure in case something goes wrong. The robot is still doing all the climbing and balancing on its own, with the tether acting only as a backup to prevent damage during testing. This achievement shows just how far humanoid robotics has come. As robots become stronger, more agile, and better at navigating obstacles, they'll be able to take on challenging tasks in factories, construction sites, disaster zones, and many other environments designed for people. With demonstrations like this, the future of capable humanoid robots is looking closer than ever.